Hey guys, this is Miss Smith. I'm going to be doing our word study D practice for the week. Remember with practice D, these are the analogies. So you need to look at the first pair of words you've been given, figure out how they are connected, and then look at the answer choices and find a pair of words with the exact same connection. Remember that connection needs to be in the exact same order as well. So if we look at number one, we have duplex and home. Well, I know that a duplex is an example of a type of home. So looking at these four options I've been given, I would say that a skyscraper is an example of a type of a building. Number two, ambidextrous and both. Well, I know that if someone or something is ambidextrous, it would mean that both hands are able to be used. So looking at these, if someone is bilingual, they are able to speak two languages. Number three, biannual and twice. Well, if something is biannual, it happens twice a year. So looking at these, if I say that something is yearly, it's only going to happen once a year. Number four, we have hybrid and dual. Well, I know that something that is hybrid consists of dual parts, so two different sections to it. So looking at these, the one that makes the most sense this time would be octopus and eight, because an octopus is going to have 8 different parts or 8 different legs. Number five, we have bilingual and two. So I know that bilingual means that you are able to speak 2 languages. So looking at these, the best choice we have here would be unicycle and one, because I know that a unicycle means that the cycle has 1 wheel. Number 6, we have ambivalent and conflicted. Well, if something is ambivalent, you're not going to have much clarity on it. It's going to be a little confusing because you have mixed feelings about it. So you would be conflicted. So looking at these, we're going to go with heartbroken and sad, because ambivalent and conflicted would be similar. Heartbroken and sad would be similar. Number 7, we have ambiguous and clarity. Well, if something is ambiguous, it's not going to be very clear. It's like when we were looking at the last practice where we had the sentence about the words having different meanings. You're not going to necessarily know right away which meaning you should be using. So looking at these, complex and simplicity would work the best here, because if something is complex, it does not have simplicity. All right, number 8, we have frog and amphibious. We know that a frog is amphibious because it can live in the water and on land. So looking at these choices, I'm going to pick bat and nocturnal, because I know that a bat is a nocturnal animal. Number 9, we have duet and performance. So remember, a duet is a type of performance that is done by 2 people. So looking at these choices here, the best one is D, which would be limerick and poem, because a limerick is a type of poem. And number 10, we have bicycle and transportation. Well, I know that a bicycle can be used as transportation, so it's a type of transportation. So looking at these 4, the best option we have here would be juice and beverage, because juice is a type of beverage.